This is a quick vlog of all that happened for me over the Easter weekend. It was a lot of fun. Church was amazing, and gospel concert was a blessing. And this is all what I have for the Easter weekend. You know, Jamaican, it's all bun and cheese and fried fish with festival. I didn't have bami, so you know the drift. And I had to do some more buns for my clients. So this is just a short clips of all that took place for me over the Easter weekend. Please enjoy. Please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. These are the buns that I did today for Sunday. They want them for Easter Monday. Fresh from the oven. I'm allowing them to cool down in the pan before I take them out. Yes, current situation, guys. Saturday evening. This is what we're dealing with.